everyone, so today I wanted to do a little cleaning motivation with you. So the last week or so we have been completely under the weather and everybody was home for spring break. So at this point I just want to go through, get the house back tidy, deep clean the bathrooms, clean the kitchen and things like that. So come along as I share a little cleaning motivation with you. If this is your first time here, hello, welcome. I'm Raquel. I would love for you to consider subscribing here. If you're into these cleaning motivational videos, please give me a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate them. I want to thank each and every last one of you for rocking out with me as we clean this entire house. This did take me 2 complete days. Started in the kitchen and then I moved about and cleaned everywhere else in my home. As I wash the dishes and rinse them off, I do place them into the dishwasher just as a drying machine. I don't use the dishwasher to clean them. I'm just leaving them to dry. Once they're dry, then we'll get the dishes put away. After I finish the dishes, I move on to wiping down my coffee station area. Wipe that down, get everything clean. The only thing I did not tackle this go round was my oven, and I will tackle that, and I will do a deep clean of my floors on another day. But see it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go. As you see, my whole family was home this day, so everyone wanted to come in, talk to me, have conversation, which is just fine. So as we're just doing our normal family daily life, daily living, I am still tidying up and finishing up the kitchen. And then I'm going to move on to my dining table and get that wiped down. It's all glass and mirrored, as you see, so I just use glass cleaner right here. I'm using Sprayway glass cleaner. I alternate between this one and the Perfect glass cleaner. I do enjoy both of them.
Ready
Okay, that's so pretty. I like that. So pretty. Yes. Okay, so that's what we're gonna have here on our table for the time being. I love that. That's so nice. I feature my fireplace in a video, I tend to get quite a bit of questions. This is a Target table, which I believe is now discontinued, and the fireplace is from Big Lots. So I just inserted the fireplace without any feet, and I do not use the heat setting. I only use it for the ambiance lighting. So this is how I created this mirrored fireplace, if you were wondering.
We had something. Tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention. It's written all over your face. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, reading old messages on my phone every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act, just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart.
Well, hello to my little guests. Every time they see a camera roller, they must make an appearance. So of course, let's move on to cleaning my mirrors here outside. I guess it would be more like my entryway This is right outside of my bedroom. We don't really have a formal entryway in this home, but let's move on and wipe down all the glass surfaces. As you see, I love mirror and glass.
This isn't like giving you space. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, pretending that I don't know who you are every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of it?
Now I'm gonna move on to vacuuming the stairs. I'm gonna head up to the bathroom that's located upstairs, which is my daughter's and son's bathroom. This bathroom was beyond destroyed. I don't know what they were doing in this bathroom, but I deep cleaned, I scrubbed every surface part on this bathroom. It was out of control. And after that, I'm going to vacuum the hallway, move on to my son's room, and just vacuum the top level. And then I'm going to go downstairs and finish up all the bathrooms downstairs.
Talk to me, just talk to me. Talk to me, 'cause I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. Have a case. You don't have to mention. You just like their attention.
Yeah, I washed the curtains and put them back up, so they're there. Wiped everything down, the mirrors and all of that is wiped down. Those mirrors, it's one picture here and then those two. So all three pictures got wiped down. Yeah, this whole bathroom has been deep cleaned. Yes, so needed. The rugs are in the wash and all of that, so those got washed. Those kind of got discolored by being washed, but nonetheless, they're back up. Let's move on to the next bathroom.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh. You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I missed ya. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Heartbreak, heartbreak, heartbreak. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special.